If you're looking for cost-effective ways to create a gorgeous, personalized wedding, you'll love our tutorial for mini soap wedding favors. Scented with our wedding day fragrance oil and using our nourishing donkey's milk melt and pour base, you and your guests will love the handmade touch they bring to your special day. To make our mini soap wedding favors, you'll need the following: 600 grams of donkey milk melt and pour soap base, 18 grams of Craftivator's wedding day fragrance oil, 30 grams of rolled oats, or if using porridge oats, you'll need to use a food processor or crush them with a pestle and mortar, and isopropyl alcohol. You'll also need a set of digital weighing scales, a large heat-proof jug, a small pot for your oats, a small jug or container for your fragrance oil, a spray bottle for your isopropyl alcohol, a sharp kitchen knife, a spatula, a thermometer, and 2 8-cell Geo-Heart molds. First, weigh out 600 grams of donkey milk base and cut into equal-sized cubes. Weigh out 30 grams of oats and 18 grams of fragrance oil. Melt the soap base until the temperature reaches approximately 65 degrees Celsius. Spray with isopropyl alcohol to disperse any bubbles. Add your oats and stir until fully combined. Now, add the 18 grams of fragrance oil and again stir until fully combined. Spray your mold with isopropyl alcohol first, and then pour your soap mixture as equally as you can in the 16 individual cells. Allow your soap to cool for around 2 to 3 hours before unmolding. Your soaps will be ready to use right away. If you're using these for favors, you'll need to keep your soap in airtight packaging to prevent it from sweating. These small cellophane bags are perfect for this. Simply wrap with the name tag of your guest, add a small sprig of dried flowers or fresh greenery, and finish it off with a ribbon that complements your wedding color palette. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial for Craftivator's mini soap wedding favors. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.